how to unlink your Steam account from Ubisoft Connect. Now, for you to be able to get here, all you do is just access or open your favorite or your preferred web browser and head directly to search bar. And just simply type in Ubisoft Connect, and you should be able to see the first result, which will take you out to their official site. So just click on that, and you will be redirected here. Now, if you haven't downloaded Ubisoft Connect yet, just simply click on this link right here and it will automatically be loaded on your browser. Once you have successfully downloaded Ubisoft Connect, install it and make sure that you logged into your account. Disconnecting or unlinking all of the specific platforms that you have connected your Ubisoft account to is just easy. All you have to do once you have downloaded the software is just go to settings, and by settings go to other, and you should be able to see all the platforms that you have connected to. Just choose on Steam and choose on Unlink, and just don't forget to turn off auto connect from Ubisoft Connect. And that's it. That's how easy you can disconnect or unlink your Steam account from Ubisoft Connect.